Hello everybody and welcome back to Easy Coding Practice. Right, today we're going to use the extend feature on lists. So I'm going to create two lists. List 1. Basically we're going to join two lists together using extend. Okay, so list 1, we'll put some names in. Mark, Pete, let's have a look, and Paul. Okay, list 2 is going to be some more names. Steve, Dave, and Joe. Okay, so basically I'm going to use a conditional here to make this just a little bit more interesting. So I'm going to say if the length of list 1 is greater than 5, okay, which it's not, we're going to give it something to do. Basically, whoops, we're going to give it something to do. So it's not greater than 5, we know that, so we're going to give it something to do now. So list 1 dot extend. So we're going to extend the list. We're going to add list 2 onto it, and we'll just put list 2 here, list 2, and then we're going to print the list. There we go. That should be the new list that's been extended, or else if something goes wrong, we're just going to print out, let's say just print out list 2 for example. Print list 2. Okay, so we're just going to save this and let's have a look. We are going to run it now. Okay, so if the length of list 1 is greater than 5, list 1.extend, so it wasn't greater than 5, so it didn't extend it. Instead, it came down and just printed out list 2 here. Right, so let's tweak this a little bit, shall we? So let's say if the length of list 1 is greater than 1, which we know it is, it's greater than 1, so let's have a look. So we're going to run that, and there you go, because it's greater than 1, list 1.extend with list 2 here, so it's added list 2 to it because it was greater than 1, and you can see here it's extended the list and added list 2 onto it. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.